You feel exhausted, not because you failed, but because you kept going when your heart was heavy. You carried things you never spoke about. You smiled through moments that quietly broke you. In the stillness of the night, you turned to Allah with words only He could hear. And He heard every single one. He saw your patience when walking away felt easier. He saw the tears you held back and the faith you held onto instead. Nothing you endured was unnoticed. Nothing you sacrificed was ignored. Every moment you chose sabr, every time you trusted Allah without understanding the outcome, it has meaning. And Allah never lets a patient heart go unrewarded.